Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix iPhone alarm not working. Let's get started. First, open the clock app and tap alarm. Then, edit your alarm and make sure a sound is selected. If it says none, the alarm won't ring. Next, go to settings, then sound and haptics. Then, make sure the ringer and alerts volume is turned up. Also, turn off change with buttons to prevent lowering alarm volume by accident. Next, check the silent switch on the side of your iPhone and make sure it's off. Then go to settings, then focus. Make sure do not disturb or sleep focus is either turned off or properly configured to allow alarms. Alarms should override focus modes, but configure settings can cause issues. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.